Hello guys, welcome to ODMT's digital marketing demo. In today's demo session, we are going to cover 4 topics. That is, what is digital marketing, who can study digital marketing, modules of digital marketing, and the last one is career and salaries in digital marketing. Before we learn about digital marketing, let us just discuss about traditional marketing. What exactly is this traditional marketing? So to understand traditional marketing, we have to go back. That means in the earlier days, how people used to market their product. See, in the olden days, that means in the earlier days, if somebody wants to promote their product, or for that example, let us assume that you guys have some sari brand and you want to promote that particular sari brand. Then how would you promote the product in the earlier days? In the earlier days, Google was not there, Facebook was not there, Instagram was not there, YouTube was not there, right? So in that generation, if you want to promote your product, there were traditional platforms such as TV is one of the platform, radio is one of the platform. People would promote their product on newspapers also. Then people would promote their product on billboards and people would distribute their products. All these things people would follow. That means people would follow these traditional methods. Now let us take the first part, that is television, which we were talking about. Now, can anybody tell me why do people watch television? Yes, people watch television mainly for entertainment only, right? Now you guys have to tell me, is TV the only medium for entertainment these days? Yes, I agree. In the earlier days, only on the television people would be entertained. And if they want to listen to songs, they will listen to the radio. Because there were no other source for them to listen to songs or watch movies and all. But as of now, if somebody wants to watch a movie or if somebody wants to do some kind of entertainment, do you think only TV is the platform? If somebody wants to watch a movie, then so many OTT platforms are there. People can watch that particular movie on Netflix, people can watch it on Amazon, people can watch it on Hotstar and all. If somebody wants to listen to song, then radio is not the only medium these days. If somebody wants to listen to the songs, they can open YouTube and they can search for that song and they can listen for that song, right? On YouTube, they can listen to that particular song, or they can download that particular song from Google, or they can just go into Spotify and listen to that particular song. That means there are so many digital platforms these days. And if somebody wants to read news and if they want to know what all is happening around the world, do you think is newspaper the only medium for me to know then what is happening in the world? No, right? If I have one mobile phone and if I download one particular news app in that, then whatever the news, whichever is happening around the world, everything I can read in that particular news app. That means if I have one smartphone and if I have internet connection to that smartphone, then it is done, right? And smartphone is handy also. I can watch movies on that smartphone. I can watch news on that smartphone. I can listen to songs on that smartphone. And how I'm listening to all these things with the help of smartphone. But for that, I'm using Google, I'm using YouTube, or I'm using news app. For songs, I'm using some Spotify. For movies, I'm using some OTT platforms and all. That means I'm using these digital platforms. How I'm using these digital platforms? With one smartphone, I'm using these digital platforms. And these days, everybody have internet in their homes. Everybody have Wi-Fi's, and if they do not have Wi-Fi, at least they recharge their phone every month with the help of some internet connection. It has become mandatory these days, and mostly because of the pandemic and all. So with this, what you can understand is the consumption of these traditional platforms have reduced. People, I'm not telling completely it has reduced. People have not stopped completely watching television, or people have not stopped completely listening to the radio, but the consumption has been reduced. These days, everybody is working. That means everybody is doing some job or something or the other they are doing for their living. And it is not possible for them to watch television all the time or to read newspaper and all. So what they will be doing on the go, they will be just opening their smartphone and whichever the news app they have with them, they'll be just opening that app and they'll be reading the news. No need to take the monthly subscription of newspaper and all. So because of one smartphone and one internet, and because of all these digital platforms, digital apps, OTT platforms, because of all these things, what happened? The consumption of this traditional platform have reduced. That is a major drawback of traditional marketing. Now, these are our traditional platforms, right? TV, radio, newspaper, and all. Let us take the example of TV. And as I have already told you, let's assume that you have some sari brand and you want to do some traditional marketing for your sari brand. That means you want to show your advertisement on television. Let us assume IPL is going on, and in that particular month, whenever the IPL is happening, you have made a deal with Star Sports. Star Sports is the official broadcaster of IPL, right? So you have made a deal with the Star Sports that you'll be paying some lakhs of rupees to Star Sports, and Star Sports has guaranteed you that they'll be giving you some 1 crore of viewership. That means they have just estimated that 1 crore people will be watching your advertisement. Obviously, most of the people from India and from other countries also will be watching IPL. So the viewership, they have estimated that 1 crore viewership for your particular brand. That means between the overs and all, whenever the advertisement appears, they are guaranteeing you that they will showcase your advertisement in between that break. And they are guaranteeing you that 1 crore viewership will be there for 1 month, on which days the IPL is happening. Now, you guys tell me, whenever your advertisement has appeared during this 1 month, can you guys tell me who are these 1 crore people? Who are these people? Who are these 1 crore? Are they male? Are they female? Are they children? Or are they old people? What is their age group? From which location they have watched this advertisement? Can you guys tell me? No, you can never tell your target audience. You can never tell who has watched your advertisement with that if you showcase your advertisement on television or radio or on newspapers and all. With the help of traditional marketing, you can never know your audience and you can never target your audience also. Can you target your audience if you want to show your advertisement on TV or on radio? Can you target your audience? Can you tell to the broadcaster that show my advertisement only to female? Can you tell show my advertisement only to 18 to 30-year age group people? Can you tell children should not watch my advertisement? No, right? We never know who is watching the television at that point of time. Men will be watching, old people will be watching, women will be watching, children will be watching. And if it is IPL, every age group, different kind of gender people will also be watching IPL because majority of the people, especially in India, will be interested in cricket. So you can never tell that only female should watch my advertisement or only so and so age group, 18 to 30 age group people should watch my advertisement. So the major drawback of traditional marketing is you can never target your audience over here. You can never target. That means you can never filter your audience in traditional marketing. That is a major drawback of traditional marketing. But whereas in digital marketing, with the help of these digital tools such as Google Ads, social media, and all, with the help of these tools, you can filter your audience. You can, if you want to show your ad to females, then you can show your ad only to females. If you want to show your ad to males, then only to male you can show your ad. If you want to show your ad to only 8 to 18 to 30-year age group, then you can show to only to 18 to 30-year age group. If you want to target only particular location, that means you want your ad to people who are staying in Panchagutta, only for them you want your ad to appear, then only for them also your advertisement will appearing. That means this kind of filters will be there in digital marketing. You can filter your audience, but whereas in traditional marketing, you cannot tell that only male should watch, only female should watch, only this location people should watch. You cannot tell that. That is a major difference between digital marketing and traditional marketing. And these days, because of different digital platforms, also because of different apps and all, also people have already stopped people have reduced the consumption of traditional marketing also. So what is the point when people are only not there on TV, radio, and newspaper? That means most of the people I'm talking about. When most of the people are not there on TV, radio, newspaper, and all these traditional platforms, what is the use for me if I promote my particular product on these platforms? There is of no use. So as a marketer, what you need to do is you need to reach out to people where they are moving. That means reaching out to people where they spend most of the time with the help of some digital tools is known as digital marketing. And where most of the time people are spending most of the time on Instagram, people are spending most of the time on YouTube, people are spending most of the time on Facebook, people are spending most of the time on Google and all these things, right? So you have to advertise your a particular product on these platforms. On these digital platforms, you need to advertise your product. So what exactly is digital marketing? With this, we can conclude that reaching out to people where they spend most of the time with the help of some digital tools such as Google Ads, social media, SEO and all. With the help of some digital tools is known as digital marketing. I hope with this you have understood what exactly is this digital marketing. It is just reaching out to people where they spend most of the time. These days, people are spending most of the times. They have one smartphone with them and they have internet with them. Majority of the people, 90% of the people have internet connections to their mobile phone. And when they have internet connections, they will not sit idle. They will use Facebook, they will use Google, they'll use YouTube, or they'll be using Instagram. All these platforms they will be using. So where people are spending most of the times, you have to also, as a marketer, you have to reach out to people where they are spending most of the times. So rather than promoting your product on traditional platforms such as TV, radio, and all these things, you have to promote your platform, a particular product on Google, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and all these things. That is what is known as digital marketing. Then coming to the second topic, that is who can study digital marketing and careers and salaries in digital marketing. So that is our second topic. Who exactly can study digital marketing? The first thing somebody can study digital marketing is students. Why am I telling students? And in students also, any graduate or any postgraduate, any student who has done BBA, BSc, MBA, BSc, MBA, or for that matter, any degree, that person should just be a student. That means student in the sense, I'm not telling that a person who has some kind of degree is only a student. Any person who is willing to learn, who has passion to learn anything is a student. So a person who has done his graduate or postgraduate, BBA, BSc, MBA, whatever it is, those kind of students can learn digital marketing. Your degree does not matter. If you have any normal degree, it is fine. Anybody can study digital marketing. Why am I stressing that anybody can study digital marketing? Because let me explain you with the help of some example. Let us take the example of Java. Let's assume that you have learned Java. What kind of jobs will you get after learning Java? Let's assume that you have done this Java course. Then what kind of companies will be hiring you because you have studied Java? Mostly software companies will be hiring you. That means Java based companies only will be hiring you, right? Will KFC come and hire you? Or will any saree brand come and hire you? Will any jewelry brand come and hire you? No. Because you have studied Java, Java-based companies, MNCs, software companies, these kind of companies will be hiring you. But if you study digital marketing, the profit over here is any company, that means any college or any school or any hospital for that matter, or any MNC or any software company or any company such as KFC or Starbucks, these kind of companies also will be hiring you. Why am I telling even KFC, Starbucks will be hiring you is, see, the exposure for digital marketer is really high in the market. See, if you are a software company, let us assume that there is some XYZ software company and they build some apps, like they produce some apps and all. They'll be creating some apps with the help of some coding techniques and all. Okay, they have created an app, but who will bring that app among the people? Now, you guys know Swiggy, you guys know Zomato. Somebody has created Swiggy, somebody has created Zomato. But how do I know Zomato and how do you know Zomato? Because they have promoted their product. That is the reason we guys know what is Zomato, what is Swiggy and all. That means creating the product is important, but selling that product is also as important as creating the product. Promoting the product is as important as creating that particular product. But do you think these people know how to promote the product? These people know how to create the product. But digital marketer knows how to promote the product. If you have created a very beautiful app and you have done nothing with that app, it is of no use. You should know the knowledge of promoting that app also. And who has that knowledge? Digital marketer will have that knowledge. A marketer is a person who is going to promote your product. These hospitals, Apollo Hospital, Yashoda hospitals, why these hospitals are very famous? Obviously, they'll be having top doctors and all, top surgeons. But at the same time, their branding is at such a level that if somebody is at emergency, only Apollo will be coming in their mind. Only Yashoda will be coming in their mind. Because behind these hospitals also, marketers will be there who will be promoting these hospitals. Same for colleges, schools, Starbucks and all. Different companies have different marketing strategies. So each and every niche requires digital marketer. But whereas if you study some course such as Java, C+, and all these things, only those particular course companies will be hiring you. That is the benefit you will be getting with digital marketing. That is the reason I have told that anybody who is willing to learn, who is a student, can be learning digital marketing. Then we at ODMT, we provide 100% job assistance for these people. That means for students, we'll be helping for them to get a job. We'll be assisting them, we'll be guiding them for them to get a job. But one thing you have to understand over here is student in the sense, they will be a fresher, right? Obviously, a person who has done his graduate will be considered as a fresher in the corporate world. So a student, that means a fresher, can expect a salary of 10K to 20K at the starting level in digital marketing. I'm not telling 10K is the like mandatory 100% you are going to earn only 10K or mandatorily only 20K you are going to earn. No, it is according to your knowledge, your salary will be based on. Some people might be earning more than 20K, some people might be earning just 10K, or some people might be earning 15K. So it depends solely on the student. But you can expect a salary from 10,000 to 20,000 rupees if you are a fresher in digital marketing. But don't worry, over the line, over the years, you guys can expect a salary of 5 lakhs to 6 lakhs of rupees, or 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs of rupees. Again, this also happens according to your hard work and your passion for the subject and all. But at the starting level, you guys can expect a salary of 10,000 to 20,000, and down the line 5 lakhs to 8 lakhs of rupees or 10 lakhs of rupees. Some people are even working for 15 lakhs of rupees and all as a digital marketer. So this is about students. These people can learn digital marketing, and we'll be providing 100% job assistance. We'll be helping you to find jobs. Then a fresher can expect a salary of 10,000 to 20,000 in digital marketing. Then the second kind of people who can study digital marketing is working professionals. Let us take the example of coders over here. A person who is already into coding and all, and let's assume that they are working in some XYZ company, and because they have done coding since so many years, let's assume they are bored of coding and they want to shift their career to something which does not have the pressure of a coder. Then for those kind of people, digital marketing is the best option. Why I'm telling digital marketing is the best option is, in digital marketing, coding will not be included. Without coding, you will be designing our WordPress websites. So we'll not design HTML websites, but we will be designing WordPress websites. And WordPress websites do not involve any kind of coding. So these kind of people who want to change their niche, these people can happily start their new career with the help of digital marketing. But there is one small drawback over here. The thing is, when you want to shift your career from one field to other field, see, you're already a working professional. That means that person will have at least 3 years of experience or 4 years of experience. That means their salary will be at least 30K to 40K of rupees per month. You are working professional, you are experienced in your own field. But still, when you shift your career from that field to digital marketing, you're still a digital marketing fresher only, because you're new to digital marketing. So you will be considered as digital marketing fresher. And because you are fresher, again, you guys should also expect the salary of 10K to 20,000 rupees per month. at the starting level because you guys are new to digital marketing. So the drawback over here is because you guys, whoever is working professional who will be earning 30 to 40K per month, like they may not be okay with the decrease in their salary. But again, here also, even for working professionals, we provide 100% job assistance. Whichever job you want to apply for, we will be helping you to get that particular job, even for working professionals. Then coming to the third kind of people, that is small business owners. That means any budding entrepreneurs and all these kind of people also can learn digital marketing. Now, let's assume that you have a sari brand, as I have already told to you, and you have some sari brand in Panchagutta and all, and you have a small store, small sari store. Obviously, if your brand is little bit old, that means if your store is little bit old, like 5 to 8 years old store and all, obviously people in your locality will be purchasing the sari from your store. But how many times will people in your locality will purchase a sari from your store? They will get bored, or if they have to purchase a sari a number of times, they will be running out of money. That means you want more and more customers from different places also. That means you want to expand your users, you want to expand your customers. Then how will you expand your customers? You can go for digital marketing. That means in digital marketing, you can create a website, you can create an e-commerce website, then you can add the sari products to your website, then you can sell your products to every city and every country and all. So even small business owners can study digital marketing. Then coming to the fourth kind of people who can study digital marketing. Freelancers. Freelancers in the sense anybody who is willing to earn money online. These people who want to earn money online by sitting at their homes, these people can learn blogging with the help of digital marketing. They can learn affiliate marketing with the help of digital marketing. They can learn YouTube marketing with the help of digital marketing. And there are many platforms also where you can register. That means you can create your accounts in these platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr and all. And you can provide your digital marketing services over here. So even for people who want to earn money online, digital marketing is the best option. So these kind of people can learn digital marketing. That means students, working professionals, small business owners, and freelancers. Then coming to the modules of digital marketing. What exactly are the modules of digital marketing? Modules in the sense, what exactly are we going to learn in this particular course that I'm going to explain now? See, our course starts with WordPress website designing. I'm specifying WordPress website designing because people might be getting confused. Website designing in the sense people might be thinking coding and all. No. WordPress website designing, that means if you are designing your website with the help of WordPress, you need not do coding. No coding is involved in WordPress website designing. Without coding, you can happily design your website. And in this WordPress designing, you'll be learning three kinds of website, that is service website. Service website in the sense, I'll just show you one of the website. This is one of my students' website. And it is purely made up of WordPress. That means without any coding, they have created this particular website. This is a service website. Why I'm telling this is a service website? If you can see over here, this is some adventure website and all. They provide trekkings, holiday packages and all. That means they're providing some services over here. So this will be considered as a service providing website. Now let us assume you have a digital marketing website and you're providing some digital marketing services. That means it is known as a service website. You are a plumber, you are a painter, you are a florist and all. Then these are services. These are considered as services. So if you want to provide any service and if you want to create a website for your services, then this is known as service website. So how to create this home page, about us page, how to create these pages, how to give logo, how to create these buttons, how to add images to your website, how to add content to your website. All these things you're going to learn in WordPress website designing. So the first one is service website. If you are a service provider, then you have to create a service website. Then the second one is blogging website. See, here I'll be opening NDTV. Now just look at the NDTV website. In NDTV website, what will be there? Content will be there. What kind of content will be there? only some news content or some blogs will be there. News in the format of blogs will be there. Is NDTV providing any service? Is NDTV providing any digital marketing service? Is NDTV providing any interior designing service? No. NDTV is not providing any service. They have just some information over here. They are passing some knowledge to the users. So this is considered as a blogging website. They have added content to the website. They have created posts. They have written blogs. So n number of blogs are there in NDTV website. So how to create a blogging website, you are going to learn in this part. That is a second type of website, that is your blogging website. How to add content to your website, how to write post in your website, you are going to learn in blogging website. Then coming to the third kind of website, that is e-commerce website. As we were already discussing that, let's assume that we have any saree store and all. Saree in the sense it is considered as a product. Suppose you want to sell any product. You have some products and you want to sell that products to the customers. Then that will be considered as an e-commerce website. Any website like Amazon, or this is one of our client website, as you can see over here, they are selling some skincare products, hair care products and all. So these are their products and they're selling their products at this particular price. So how to create an e-commerce websites? These kind of websites are known as e-commerce website. Just observe the interface of all these websites. This is a service providing website. This is a blogging website. This is an e-commerce website. So different kind of websites you will be learning in WordPress website designing. Then after our WordPress website designing, the second part of our course is SEO, that is known as search engine optimization. What exactly search is known as search engine optimization? Search engine optimization is nothing but, let us assume that you have some digital marketing training institute, okay? You have some digital marketing training institute and somebody is searching digital marketing courses in Hyderabad, okay? Somebody is searching on Google, somebody is searching digital marketing courses in Hyderabad. And this particular interface, whatever you are seeing, is known as SERP. That means Google is a search engine, that is Chrome is a search engine. So search engine result page. You are searching for something, you are questioning something, you are searching for something and results are appearing, right? For this question, so many results are appearing over here on Google. And where they are appearing in a particular page. So this particular interface is known as search engine result page. Generally, normal people call it as Google, but as a marketer, you have to call it as a search engine result page. Then what exactly is this SEO? As I have told you, let us assume that you have a digital marketing institute, and when somebody is searching for digital marketing courses in Hyderabad, you want your website to appear on SERP, that is on Google, you want your website to appear. But what if your website is appearing in the 8th place page or 9th page or in 10th page? Is it of any use? Do you think people have that much time to go into 8th page, 9th page, 6th page, 5th page? In all these places, no, people do not have that much time. People do not have that much patience. Hardly people are going to visit at least two pages people will be visiting. People will not even visit the 3rd page. Because people are lazy, right? People do not have that much patience. People do not have that much time also. People will be visiting 1st page and hardly 2nd page. But nobody is going to 3rd page, 4th page and all. That means what you have to understand over here is, as I have told you, let us assume that you have a saree brand and let us assume that you have a saree brand in crowded area. When you have a saree brand in crowded area and in a very famous area, more people will be there in crowded area, right? And when very posh area or in a famous area, more people will be there. And more people will be visiting your store. But same like that, let's assume that you have the same saree brand in some remote area where the population is only less. Do you think when the population is only less, who will be visiting your store? When the population is less, the amount of people visiting your store also will be less. That means you have to be in the crowded area. You have to be always at top. You have to not be behind. You should not be in the remote area. That remote area is only these pages, such as 8th page, 9th page, 10th page is known as a remote area. Let us assume like that. And top 1st page, 2nd page are crowded areas because everybody wants to be at top. Everybody wants to be in 1st page only. So the process of making your website on top of SERP for any keyword searched by the user is known as SEO, that is search engine optimization. That means somebody is searching for a particular keyword and you want your website to appear in the result section. And where you want your website to appear? You want your result to appear on the first page, and you want your website to be appearing on the top positions only. So how to bring your website on top of SERP, you are going to learn in search engine optimization. And you have to understand one thing over here is search engine optimization is not an easy technique. It is time consuming technique. That means it is a time taking process and it is a free process. That means it is an organic process. It will at least take 6 to 8 months of time for your website to rank on top of SERP. So tomorrow, whenever you are getting clients and all for SEO, please do not promise your client that you will bring their website on top of SERP in 1 month and all. It will never happen, because these people who are at top position, you can see this website is at 5th position, 6th position. These people have done lots of hard work from so many years. That is why they are appearing on top of SERP. And when you have created a new website and you want to appear on top of SERP, it will not happen like that. What about the people who are working hard from so many years and you have just landed right now? You cannot appear on top of SERP. That is the reason it will take at least 6 to 8 months of time to appear on top of SERP. For some websites, it might take 1 year of time also. According to niche, it depends. So never ever promise anybody that you will bring their website on top of SERP in 1 month. And in this SEO, that is in the process of bringing your website on top of SERP, there are additional topics also, such as gray hat technique you will be learning. Then you will be learning white hat technique, that is white hat SEO. Then you will be learning black hat SEO. Then you will be learning technical SEO, that is server side optimization. All these additional topics also you will be learning in SEO part. That is in the second part after website designing, you'll be learning all these things. And also you'll be learning how exactly search engine works. That means how exactly Google works. When you're searching for something, Google is showing some results. How Google is operating at the back end. All these things you are going to learn in SEO part. That is the second part. Then, as I have already told you, SEO is a time-taking process and it takes some 6 to 8 months of time. What will you guys do until 6 to 8 months? Will you sit idle only by doing SEO? You cannot sit idle, right? You have to do your business also. So at that time, Google Ads comes under picture. What exactly is this Google Ads? Google Ads is nothing but, see, it is also the process of bringing your website on top of SERP. But the thing over here is you're spending money to bring your website on top of SERP. See, if you observe, this is our search engine result page, right? That is SERP. Google is a search engine, and for some keyword, Google is showing me the results over here. And this complete thing is known as a page. Now, for this particular keyword, that means for any question or a query, we call it as a keyword in our marketing language. So for this particular keyword, if you guys observe, some results are appearing over here. These results, if advertisement mark is not there, these results are our SEO results. These results are organic results. By spending so many months of time, by doing lots of hard work, these people have started appearing on SERP. But whereas if you observe over here, some ads are also appearing. Advertisement mark, advertisement mark, advertisement mark, and advertisement mark. These advertisements are known as Google Ads, whereas these are SEO results. Wherever advertisement mark is not there, these are SEO results. And these are Google Ads. These people, they have done lots of hard work for so many years and organically they have come on top. They did not even spend single penny. But whereas these people who are appearing on top of SERP, they have spent money to appear on SERP. That is the only difference. In SEO also, you are bringing your website on top of SERP. In Google Ads also, you are bringing your website on top of SERP. But the thing is, here you are spending money to come on top of SERP. So you have to understand one thing over here is Google Ads is a paid process and Google Ads is an instant process. You run the ads, you pay money. Once Google approves your ads, your particular advertisement will be appearing on SERP. No need to wait for 6 months, no need to wait for 8 months. But the only thing is you have to spend money over here. So this is an instant method and it is a paid method. And in this Google Ads, there are different networks such as search network. Search network in the sense, see here I'm searching for a keyword and ads are appearing. And where ads are appearing? On the SERP ads are appearing. So this is known as search network advertisements. And here, if you guys observe, where is NDTV over here? If you guys observe, this is NDTV website. And in NDTV website, some ads are appearing over here. This is WeWork ad. This is also WeWork ad. What is the link between flexible office space and NDTV? Is there any link between these two things? No, there is no link. That means NDTV is publishing these advertisements on their website. This kind of advertisements are known as display network advertisements. So the next network of advertisement in Google Ads is display network. Then you'll be learning video network advertisements. You guys are aware of video network advertisement. I'm sure of that. That means in YouTube, whenever you're trying to watch any particular video, some advertisements will be appearing, right? Okay, for this particular video, advertisement is not appearing. Yeah, can you guys see? I have just clicked on that particular video and some advertisement is appearing. Bluehost hosting services video is advertisement is appearing over here. So, and you can see over here, after 5 seconds, I can just skip on this particular ad. So in this video network advertisements, you'll be learning how to create skippable ads. That means after 5 seconds, if you want to create, if you want your users to skip your ads and how to create those ads, you'll be learning in skippable ads. And non-skippable ads, without skipping the ads, if you want your users to watch the advertisement, the non-skippable ads you can learn, you will be learning how to create. Then you'll be learning video discovery ads. So all these 3 kinds of ads you'll be learning in video network ads of Google Ads. Then coming to the mobile app ads, you'll be learning in Google Ads. Then you'll be learning shopping ads also. Shopping ads in the sense, as I have already told you, let's assume that you have some business of promoting some, like you have some skincare business or for that matter, hair care business, or you're selling some products, same like Amazon and all. That means you have some business with you have some products with you have some sarees with you to promote those products. If you have some products with you, then obviously let's assume this is our e-commerce website. Obviously this is our e-commerce website, right? There is no need to assume also this is an e-commerce website because their products are there in this website and they are trying to sell these products. So how to create a shopping ads? Like when somebody searches for what is this clear white cream, something is there, right? Like when somebody searches for clear white cream, how to bring your website on top of SCRP and all, you'll be learning on shopping network ads. So how to create shopping networks ads and all, how to make sure your products appear on SCRP, all these things you'll be learning in shopping ads. So this is about Google Ads. Then after Google Ads, you'll be learning social media. That is the last part of our course and the 4th part of our course. And let me tell you, in Google Ads, so many additional topics are also there, such as structure of Google Ads you'll be learning. Then you will be learning keyword match types you'll be learning, quality score you'll be learning, ad rank you'll be learning, CPC you'll be learning. Like that, additional so many topics are there which you guys are going to learn in Google Ads. Then the last part is of social media. In social media, there are 2 parts, that is SMO and SMM. SMO is same like SEO. That means it is an organic method. Without spending money, you have to do this method. Whereas SMM is same like Google Ads. That means this is not an organic method, but this is a paid method. You have to spend money for this method. In SMO, what happens is, if you want to promote your particular product on social media, then what you will be doing, you'll be creating a social media account, right? You'll be creating Facebook account, you'll be creating Google Ads, Instagram account, like that. You'll be creating different social media accounts and you'll be uploading the images in those respective accounts. So whenever you want to bring traffic to your website or whenever you want more people to purchase your product, what you can do in the social media optimization is, SMO is nothing but social media optimization, which is an organic method. In this method, you can follow different techniques. Different techniques you'll be learning in the social media optimization. One of the technique is 80/20 rule. What exactly is this 80/20 rule? 80/20 rule in the sense, let us assume that you are trying, you have a digital marketing business and you provide some digital marketing services. So you want more traffic from social media. So let us assume that you have created an Instagram account, right? Let us assume you have created an Instagram account for the digital marketing service which you provide. And for one day, that means for one day, you will be posting 5 posts. 5 times you'll be posting. On the different times, you'll be posting 5 times. And let's assume that 5 times you are posting digital marketing content only. Don't you think your audience will be bored of your content? Why people watch open social media platforms? People open social media platforms for entertainment, not to see your digital marketing posts and all. So people will be losing the interest over here if you follow this method. So what you have to follow is you have to follow this 80/20 rule. That means the first time you are posting something in your account, try to post some memes. Then after that, try to post some funny content. Then after that, try to post something about movie. Then try to post about your education, that is about your digital marketing. Now you post. Then after that, again try to post something about movies and all. Here, see what I'm doing. 80% of the time I'm talking about some meme, some funny things, some movie, all these things I'm talking about. Only one time I'm talking about whatever I wanted to talk. Like I'm just talking about my niche only once. That means 80% of the time I'm just entertaining my audience. And 1%, one time I'm being serious with them. That is, I'm trying to talk about my particular thing. That is about my particular niche. I'm uploading the content. So 80% of the time, I'm just doing something for the audience, for the entertainment of the audience. I'm working hard, but 20% of the time, I'm talking about my niche. Then audience will be engaging, because somebody who has watched me, obviously he will be liking your funny content also, and people who like your memes and funny content, they will try to like your movie content also. And once you're talking about the education and all these things, at least they will be trying to read your post at least, and if they're interested, they'll be joining your particular course. So 80% of the times you have to just entertain the audience, and 20% of the time you have to talk about your business. Like this, so many different techniques you'll be learning in social media optimization. That is an organic method. Whereas in social media marketing, you'll be learning advertisements of social media platforms such as FB ads, you'll be learning, and then you'll be learning Instagram ads, how to create Instagram ads, you'll be learning how to create Twitter ads, how to create LinkedIn ads, how to create Pinterest ads. All these ads you'll be learning in social media marketing. And these are paid methods. You have to run ads, and once the ad gets approved, money will be deducted from your account, and these ads will be published in the social media platforms. That is Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. And one more thing you have to be careful while you are advertising your product on social media is, see, why people spend time on social media? For entertainment. This is the relaxing time. And let us assume that you are providing some ambulance service. Is it of any use if you show your ambulance advertisement of social media? A person who is in emergency will not open social media. If a person is really in need and if a person really wants an ambulance, they will directly search in Google, right? They will not open social media and all. They will not open their Facebook account, log into their Facebook account and search for ads. So you have to understand that not every advertisement or not every niche can be promoted on social media. So according to the niche to niche, you have to promote your products on social media. So all these 4 topics, that is website designing, Google ads, search engine optimization, social media, all these parts will be covered in our digital marketing course. Then there are some additional topics also, such as Google Analytics. Google Analytics, in the sense, okay, you have designed your website, that is your saree website or any product website, skincare products, hair care products and all. Let us assume that you have designed your website or any service website or a blogging website. And you have done SEO, you have done Google ads, you have done social media marketing, everything you have done. At the end of the day, you have to know, right, how many people are visiting your website, from which country people are visiting your website, how much time they are spending on your website, what is the revenue you are getting, how many products are being sold, how much money you are earning. All these things you have to know. That means you have to analyze how your business is working. Is your business in profit or is your business in loss? All these things you have to know. You cannot calculate every day and all, right? You cannot take pen and paper and you cannot calculate. If it is a small business, you can calculate. But if it is a business, if you are doing a business in lakhs of rupees, then you cannot calculate everything with pen and paper. You cannot analyze everything with pen and paper. So at that time, you have to use a tool called Google Ads. So how to create this Google Analytics account, how to see how your website is performing, all these things you're going to learn in this Google Analytics session. So I'll be showing you one of the Google Analytics of our client. See, this is the Google Analytics of Order Beauty Supply. This is the website which I have already shown. You can see over here, right now there are 2 active users on this website. That means right now 2 people are there on this website. That means I am there and somebody else is also there, they're telling. And you can see how many users have visited this particular website, how much revenue they got, conversion rate, sessions. What is this conversion rate? What is this sessions you'll be learning in the course? Then on Sunday 13th March was a Sunday 6th March. The people who have visited our website has been reduced, as you can see over here. 6.6% has been reduced. 492 users have visited the website. Then how people are visiting the website also you can see. How do you acquire users? That means on Wednesday, that is 9th March, we got organic search. That means people who have searched organically, that is 596 people. Directly, people have searched, 63 people have searched directly. From some different social media platforms, 2 people have searched and landed into our website. And what else you can see? Active users you can see. On Monday, 21st Feb, that is monthly users we got is 14,655 users. Our weekly users are 3,724 users. You can see everything over here. Then you can see from which country most of the people are visiting our website. You can see United States, most of the people, like 22.4% people are visiting our website from United States. Next, Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, Jamaica, and all. Then sessions by device. Then how many percentage people are visiting your website from mobile phone, desktop, laptop, all these things. This complete analysis you can do with the help of Google Analytics only. Then this particular, what pages do your users visit? Your users visit all these page you can see. Like 7 days content you can see, or you can see yesterday's, like only on yesterday, which pages users have visited. You can see the dynamics have been reduced over here because I have checked only yesterday's. So yesterday, this many people have visited this particular page. And all these things you can observe over here. What are your top selling products? Also, you can see this is keratin soap, and with this particular keratin soap, we have earned some $937. So all these things, complete behavior of your particular website, how much you are earning, what is the profit, from which country people are visiting, from what device they are visiting, each and everything you'll be learning in Google Ads. So how to create a Google Ads account and how to set up a Google Ads for your business, you'll be learning in this Google Analytics session. Then comes affiliate marketing. I think you guys are aware of affiliate marketing, but let me just explain you what exactly is this affiliate marketing. So this is Google, right? YouTube, right? So here I'm just searching for smartphones below 1,000 rupees. And let me just click on this particular video and you can see over here. Let me just scroll down. Let me go to the description. You guys can observe over here. He's talking about top 5 best mobile phones under 1,000 rupees. And you can see he has listed all the top 5 mobile phones over here. Now let me just click on this particular link, that is Redmi 9 Power. Now just observe where am I landing to. See, where am I landing? I'm landing into Amazon website. That means from this particular YouTube channel, I have landed into Amazon website. Now what happens is, if at all I purchase this mobile phone, then this person will be getting the commission. Why this person will be getting the commission? Because I have landed into Amazon. By clicking on his link, I have landed into Amazon. And if I purchase this product, he will be getting the commission. This is only known as affiliate marketing. So the commission whichever you get is known as affiliate amount. So how to register to this Amazon affiliate program, how to register to Flipkart affiliate program, ClickBank affiliate program, all these affiliate programs, and how to register to them and how to start affiliate marketing, you are going to learn in affiliate marketing classes. Then email marketing you are going to learn. All these are additional topics, guys. Email marketing. What exactly is this email marketing? See, if you have one Gmail ID with a normal Gmail, you can only send 500 mails per day. Now let us assume you are a digital marketer and you are arranging some demo session and all, and you want to invite 1,000 people in a day, and you want to send mail to 1,000 people. Can you send a mail to 1,000 people in a day? No, you cannot send, because the average mails you can send per day is 500 rupees. You cannot exceed more than 500. So at that time, you have to use the help of, you have to use this email marketing tools such as MailChimp, Aweber, then Sendinblue. These are email marketing tools. With the help of these tools, you can do email marketing and you can send n number of emails to n number of people in one day also. At one time, you can send your mail to 4,000, 5,000, 10,000, how much ever you want, those many people you can send your email in one go. So how to do this email marketing also you'll be learning in this particular course. And email marketing is a paid platform, but it is very cheap platform. And these days everybody is into email marketing, and it is one of the good technique of promoting your particular brand. So everybody should follow email marketing because it is very it gives lots of profit and it is also very cheap. So email marketing also you'll be learning in this particular course. So all these topics, that is WordPress website designing, SEO, Google Ads, social media, Google Analytics, affiliate marketing, email marketing, Google AdSense, all these topics. And still there are, trust me, still there are n number of additional topics which you are going to learn in this particular course. All the topics I cannot just cover in one demo session, right? So whatever the important topics are there, all the topics, for all the topics I have just given you the introduction. I have just told you the meaning of those particular topics. What exactly are those topics I have just explained to you guys, so that you'll be having the idea of what you are going to learn. And a number of additional topics also you are going to learn in this particular course. Let me conclude our demo session. So our particular course is of 2 months. And in this 2 months, for this 2 months course, the course fees is 20,000 rupees. And you can pay the fee in installments also. That means for 1 month you can pay 10,000 and the other month you can pay 20,000. So installments option is available. And then you will be getting certificate at the end of the course. So certificate is also provided. So 2 months course, 20,000 rupees. Installment, you can go for installments, paying 10 months per month and other 10 months for the second month. Then you'll be getting the certificate at the end of the course. So all these things you'll be learning in this particular digital marketing course. And if you have any doubt or if you're interested in this particular digital marketing course, then you can contact me at this number. For any queries, you can just contact me on this particular number. Thank you guys for attending the digital marketing demo. We'll meet in the further classes. Thank you.